Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I ordered some really cute stickers from a company that was new to me called River and Ink, and I thought this was just too cute, the packaging. Oh my goodness, I love it. So this was how it came, and they were having a Halloween sale, so I ordered some Halloween kits for my hobo, and it did come in a plastic sleeve, but this says "Squeeze the Day. Thank you for your support," and then it has all of their information here, so I'll leave that there for a second so you guys can copy that down if you want to. I'll try to remember to post the link to them below, but it's just riverandink.com. Super cute. So I got a little sampler, a cup of Get Stuff Done, strawberries, candle, a pencil, and this one says hibernate. Oh, and this one says you are enough. And then her stickers, I haven't seen them like this before, but it has a little extra over here on the side, which is kind of cute. So there is, this is again for my hobo, so it has 2 pages, and like I said, they're Halloween, so it's Count Sashula, and it's just really cute. It says weekend, cute and scary, creepy, but it's Halloween. I love it. So this says horror movie 8:30 double feature. I mean, look at the little skeleton guy. It's just really cute, I think. So that, and the colors are vibrant and beautiful, so that's neat. And then this one says Creep It Real, and has little ghosts. That says Fear Me. Cute. And there's even just a little bit of functional stickers too, which I think is fabulous. And I love the size. And then there's this one, which says it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. And like I said, I love the little decorative on the side, and I love that it's perforated and on the side, so you can take these and put them in your planner and use them as you need. You might not need to use them all at once, or you might not know when you want to put them in. So it's neat that it's already perforated for you and you can just stick them in there. And then I thought these colors were kind of fun for Halloween. The purple, maybe you could accent it with a little bit of orange somehow, or use an orange pen or whatever color, but I thought in my head that's what I was thinking. Really cute. And then I also got just 1 page of buffalo plaid. I love the buffalo plaid for Christmas. And I don't know, I must have just seen it and thought, okay, I'm going to add that to it. So whatever, I did, and I like it. So there is that. So there is everything that I got from River and Ink. So I hope you check them out. And if you do, if you could tell her that TT.Scraps sent you, I would greatly appreciate it. She doesn't know me from Adam, but it's always nice to let people know that they get some traffic from your YouTube videos. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.